Think your small apartment can't handle plants? Think again. These 10 compact, easy-to-care-for beauties are perfect for tiny spaces, and they'll turn even the smallest room into a green retreat. Ready to meet your new plant besties? Let's start with the snake plant. Its upright leaves are a space saver's dream. Place it in a corner or on a narrow shelf, and it'll thrive with minimal water and just a hint of sunlight. Pothos, also known as golden ivy, is the ultimate hanging plant. It grows fast, loves indirect light, and can even thrive in water. Perfect for adding a cascading touch to shelves, cabinets, or hanging baskets. The ZZ plant is your low-maintenance buddy. It's small, thrives in low light, and barely needs watering. Its waxy leaves bring a polished, modern vibe to your space. The spider plant is perfect for small spaces. It's compact, fast-growing, and produces adorable baby plants you can propagate and gift, or keep to expand your green family. Peace lilies aren't just beautiful, they're practical. These air-purifying plants thrive in medium light, and their blooms add a touch of elegance to even the tiniest apartment. Meet the Photonia or nerve plant. Its bright, veined leaves come in shades of green, pink, and red, making it perfect for sprucing up small corners. The calathea, known as the prayer plant, is a space-friendly gem with stunning patterns on its leaves. It even moves its leaves up and down with the light, bringing a touch of magic to your space. Aloe vera isn't just easy to care for, it's useful too. Keep this compact plant in a sunny spot, and its gel can double as a natural remedy for burns and cuts. Succulents are the ultimate space savers. These tiny plants come in endless varieties and thrive with minimal water and care. They're perfect for desks, shelves, or even your bathroom. And finally, if you want a tropical feel in your apartment, the bamboo palm is small enough to fit in tight spaces, but adds lush greenery that makes any room feel like a retreat. See? Even the tiniest apartments can be full of life. These 10 plants prove that you don't need a garden to enjoy greenery. So, which one's going on your wish list?